Hello friends, welcome to Gyankosh.net. Today we are going to learn how we can capture the data from any sheet on a printed sheet or some other data source from the image directly into the Excel and put it in our sheet. So first of all, just click the Excel icon and this is the first screen. So we are going to create a new sheet, or you can open your sheet where you want to capture the data. This is the blank workbook. Now I have this printed sheet where I have created a table, and let us see if Excel can regenerate this table inside the sheet or not. So for that, now you have to click here, the tabs, this up arrow, it will open the home tab. Now we have to change the tab and go to the insert tab. Now this, the number 2 icon, you can see data from picture. This is our thing which we are going to use today. So click it. Now you can see that the camera has been opened. Just focus on your table, click the button of the camera, resize these small circles, resize this active window to your particular table like that, and click on the confirm. Now let us see if the Excel is able to capture the data or not. It's working. Yes. So now you can see that it has done good capturing the data using. Just have a look at over the data if the data is correct. Yeah, here it has done something. It has converted the P from the uppercase to the small case. We can check this. Some problem is here. We can correct it. We can copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, we can rectify these things, the small things. Okay, just click the open and it will open in the Excel sheet. Now we can make all the corrections whatever we want, like this. Okay, April, May, here too, capitalize it. Now okay, fine. So rest of the data is fine. Now we are done with the data, tick mark. So this is the way how we can capture the data. So you can just imagine that if we need to create this table and type so much of the data, it's going to take at least 1 to 2 minutes, even if we are having a good typing speed. So our 2 or 3 or 5 minutes have been saved by the Excel. Thank you for watching, and keep updated by subscribing to our channels for all the videos, all the knowledgeable videos which we are going to upload in the future. Thank you.